everyone, Dr. Schroeder with this week's video introduction to week number 3 of our course in advanced pharmacology. So we had a very nice discussion this week, and I want to thank Gilbert, Leslie, and Audrey for doing a very nice job of leading the course discussion. Of course, that discussion started with the posting of the initial plan of care, and again, a very good job, team, the way that it was presented. For subsequent teams, if you want to get a good idea what that initial post should look like, because I know that we had some questions early on the class, how long do they need to be, or what is the word length? The one that was posted by Team A this week was actually very well done, and it provided a nice place to start the discussion that we had on treatment of epilepsy and neurological disorders. So we had a very nice discussion this week, and again, thanks to the team for leading that discussion. Many topics were touched upon, and we went into a few different directions, so again, very well done. This week coming up, I believe we have Kellyanne, Carolyn, and Brandy, I believe, are the team leaders that are going to be up that will be posting the initial proposed plan of care for week number 2. That should be up by Sunday night. And then everybody will start with their discussions starting, well, anytime this week really, but the responses are due on Monday, with the discussions themselves wrapping up on Saturday. I have graded your week 2 grading for everybody, so everybody's grades are in for the discussions for week 2. And remember, when you are in the group, your final plan of care and your peer evaluations are not due until Sunday. The syllabus still says Saturday. However, I've changed it in the class itself, in the Blackboard class. So you should see that you have an extra day to go ahead and do those. I think just is only fair to do that, to give everybody through Sunday to go ahead and get those team discussions, get those team assignments completed, and then I will be grading those once they are usually just within a day or so after they are submitted. This week, Group 2, you're going to be talking about, or we're going to be discussing cardiovascular, so I look forward to another good discussion there. And again, I'll be taking a fairly quiet role in the class as far as the discussions, but I do participate with each of the individual teams in your individual team discussion board. So for those teams that have not checked into your team discussion boards yet, you want to make sure that you do that. You want to make sure that you communicate with your other team members, come up with a plan, and be able to divide up or divvy up that work and those responsibilities that you're going to have, and find out and make sure that who your other team members are, and be sure to reach out and be in contact with them. That's about it for this week, really, just a very short video. The other thing coming up is in week number 4, I just posted a answer to a question about the examination or the dynamic test that is coming up in week number 4. So there's some information about that you'll see in the Ask Your Instructor forum. It's in your syllabus as well, but to specific questions about when it's going to be available and how it's going to be timed and all that kind of stuff. I have a answer question that will help with that. And I'll be posting more information about that again next week. So again, I hope everybody has a great week. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I look forward to seeing you in class.